In most of my career, I've been the first. I can remember sitting in a United Way board meeting. They quoted the fact that 40% of the births in Pittsburgh were to single women. When I first came to the bank and went to the waiting room and the closets and what have you, I saw toys. And I said, what are these toys for? Because none of the staff had a young child. Well, I was told that they were to amuse the young children who came with their mothers while they were doing what was necessary to buy a home. We knew we had to do something, and that was an audience. We had the first seminar, and we were hoping for a decent crowd, to have advertised all of this, and to have 2 people show up would not have been good. Well, the first seminar we held at the Hilton, and we had 400 people, and we turned away 300. So the next week, we did it again. Dollar Bank was not my first success story. In all of my positions, success was not easy. It's never easy being the first. It's my upbringing and all of my experiences that gave me confidence. And I'm hopeful that I've passed that on to my children. As I ride through various communities, I'm often able to spot a home that someone has purchased through our program. It's a sense of pride beyond description, not just for me, for the bank.